Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Alright guys, got the first one on this morning. Little one. Well, let's make you famous this morning. Alright guys, out here fishing on this cool morning. I got Backlash fisherman out there. I'm fishing with the Zoom lizard this morning and got the first one. Hey, let's keep it going. There you go. Ugh. Oh, that's a little bit bigger than what I thought. Oh wow. Oh, get out of here. Hey buddy, don't give me thumb rash. Stop your thrash. Oh wow. Get out of here. Okay. Ugh, let's get you back.
Adventures, whatever adventures. Got him a nice one there, y'all.
You should be destroying my name pretty good. Back in the water. I'm gonna get as close as I can.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah. Thank you, buddy. I am now.
I turned it off.
Patrick said, y'all giving me the itch and I can't get it. Oh, there you go. Saw you when you yanked on it. Oh. 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 He yanked on it. Get your buddy in here. Oh yeah. Yes sir, I'll take that. Coagulate. Yeah.
There you go. He didn't know he was back in the water.
No, I don't think he did. Man, I remember one time you were killing them over here. Whoa! As soon as it hit the water. Man, look how fat that little sucker is, man. My goodness. Mm-hmm.
On it.
I say 2.
Dang, 113. So probably about
Close.
112.
Yeah. I felt you tugging on it. Ugh. Come from between the trees. Y'all guys ain't that big, but you heavy. Nice little, these little bass, man, are so healthy. They are so healthy. Look at the color on that rascal. Oh wow, okay. Boy, you like to got it down in that hole. I'm glad you didn't. Thank you, buddy. Oh my goodness, man. All right guys, a new day. We about at the middle of April and I guess we're getting March wind, but hey, nevertheless, the wind is blowing hard. If you throw that crankbait and stay on the water, you will still catch them. All right guys, this right here is a great place, you guys. Great place. Speaking of which, let's get this guy back in the water safely, guys. As soon as it hit the water, he ran it. Oh man, nice bass. Oh, real nice. Alright guys, so I'm fishing a little pond at ECU. It's a pretty nice place, man, and guess what? Got on my first one out here today. Let's get them back in the water. A swamp cat, man. Yeah. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. Yeah, I'm gonna send a picture. A swamp cat.